Warning: the following stunts were performed by professionals. Do not try this at home.
Ooh, that boy hugging that corner. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy STINO AWD back at y'all with another video. I just wanted, you feel me, come on here. We are doing a POV with a G37X. Y'all know it. Y'all seen this before on my channel. This is what we gonna be driving in today. Let me go ahead and move that. We gonna be driving in the G37X today. You know what I mean? Y'all may have seen this car on my channel before. It's my man's. You know what I mean? So I got the black roof, 5% all around, windshield included. My man's John right here trying to fix his radio system. Got the app. You know what I mean? Trying to fix his radio. Ready to put some oil in the beam. You know what I mean? Well, show y'all what he got going on, man. Yeah. Got the type S seats. Huh? They got a sub back there. Yeah. Hey y'all, he really took this whole shit apart. Damn. Yes sir, y'all. So we about to go ahead, throw some gas in it for my mans real quick. Drive around for like 10-15 minutes. Get y'all cool little POV in the G. All-wheel drive X. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all more when I get to the gas station. Peace.
Summertime the bands out.
Summertime the bands out. So I get copyrighted if I get copyrighted. But yeah, y'all, I feel so different driving the G. I haven't drove my car in so long. As I told y'all, like, I just feel different. Like, I feel like I'm just, you feel me? Way different than driving that Beam. Don't get it wrong, though. That Beam crazy. But this, let me turn this up so y'all can see. There y'all go. Right, y'all can really see. Oh, I miss my G, man. I don't even like the X for real, but the X cool. Not gonna lie. I mean, I ain't drive a G in a few weeks now. Few weeks. Got this much gas left. I'm gonna probably put like 10 in there. A 10 ball, maybe 15 ball. Give them a little juices before I drag with it just a little bit. You know what I mean? I drag out the gas station. Okay, they try to drag out the gas station with the bikes. You know what I mean? Go ahead, comment, share, comment anything y'all want. Comment down below. Share to a friend. Hit the bell down below. You feel me? Hope y'all enjoy the video. You know what I mean? Putting some buckaroos in the G-ski. You know what I mean? What's up, YouTube? I already did a little intro, so I don't know why I'm saying what's up, YouTube. But y'all see the G in the back. Y'all see where we at. You feel me? I just want to get a little cinematic video starting now. I know the car is filthy dirty. It's kind of hard to not show how dirty white is. Chill on my man's though. He still got a G at the end of the day, and his shit look hard. Like, y'all see this? With the background and a ooh. Oh man, y'all might as well book me for a video shoot / photo shoot. I don't see that emblem. He actually customized his emblem himself with the carbon. I don't see the forged carbon in there and everything. I don't know how he did it. I kind of just watched him do it for real. He got 150,000 miles on it. 2011. And I mean, he got the OEM spoiler D badge with the Infiniti on that thing. And I mean, black rims, black roof. I don't know what's this called, a third spoiler or whatever, or a roof spoiler I should say. And I really like how he kept that shark fin white. That's hard. That's real hard. I mean, so let's go ahead and get into the video, drive around. Yeah. My ashy hands, y'all. It ain't a little ashy, but don't mind them. Go ahead, hop straight in that sports mode. And I wasn't there. Ooh, this little dip. We good. I wasn't even really full throttle. It was, but it wasn't. Shorty was letting. What is she looking at? So, I know y'all probably miss my G content, even though this ain't my G. It's a G on the channel, you know what I mean? I'm not gonna lie. I would not be able to hit that corner at like 70 in the X5. Ooh, downshift for me then. Downshift for me then, baby. Behind the 5%. With the launch. Okay. Shit getting out the hole. Getting out the hole real crisp, real smooth. Man, got scared, boy, oh boy. 2 Federales in there. I said, ooh, could have sworn I was speeding going the opposite way. Sight, we in Mexico. I ain't gonna get pulled over for doing something that's not illegal. Alright though, y'all, it's gonna be a wrap for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope y'all enjoyed my man's G. You know what I mean? Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, share to a friend, and hit that bell down below. I'm gonna be back with y'all very, very soon. Very, very, very soon. You know what I mean? I'm gonna keep trying to be consistent. I'm trying to post minimum 2 videos a week. You know what I mean? 2 videos a week. So yeah, I'm gonna hit y'all when I hit y'all.